Welcome to Humanitarians AI. Today, we'll be creating songs with Nana Coree. Welcome to Lyrical Literacy, a songwriting and a brain development tool for creating original songs with AI. Today, I'm going to show how to use one of our built-in ghost artists, Nana Coree. Even if you have never used this tool before, by the end of this video, you'll be able to generate a full song, add production notes, and get it ready for a music platform like Suno. So let's begin. Nana Coree is one of our ghost artists, a fully built style profile that shapes everything the tool generates. Her voice is a warm contralto, her sound is reggae jazz with dub textures, her story comes from Caribbean folklore. When you add Nana to any command, all of that comes with it. The fastest way to start is random command. Just type random Nana and hit enter. The tool will generate a complete original song in Nana style. You'll see style tags at the top, a short vocal warm up, and then full lyrics. Notice the tool picks the genre, the instruments, even the vocal warm up automatically. You didn't have to set anything. That's the power of this artist modifier. If you want the song to be something specific, just add the word before Nana. Let's try Random River Nana. And now the whole song centers on water and river imagery. Still in Nana's full style. You could use any topic, a place, a feeling, a character, and a season. Now let's walk through the core commands. Each one changes the format of what gets generated, but Nana at the end keeps the style locked. Type Poem Nana. Poem Nana is for short, playful poem in Nana's storytelling voice, great for younger audience or as starting point before turning into a full song. Type Lullaby Nana and the tool applies special rules to slow the tempo, smooth the melody, and make the lyrics gentle enough to help a child fall asleep. This one is built with neuroscience in mind. Type Folk Nana and the tool pulls from a traditional folk song and rewrites it through Nana's lens. You get a familiar melody structure with new Caribbean imagery. Once you have the lyrics you love, two commands get you production ready. First, Meta Nana to wrap your lyrics in rich performing tags for Suno or similar platforms. Instead of just verse and chorus, you get detailed tags like vocal character, instrumental breaks, and dynamic shifts, all in Nana style. Second is Session Nana. Let's type Session Nana for complete session note documents. This gives you the key, the tempo, and a form map showing every section with bar counts and notes for each instrument. Hand this to a producer or paste it into your DAW setup. Now let's check this bonus command. Do you need a phonetic spelling? If your lyrics include certain words or anything that might trip up the singer or AI voice model, type respell Nana. Every word gets converted to simple phonetic spelling with stress syllable capitalized. No special symbols, just plain English letters. That's a complete beginner workflow with Nana Coree. 4 commands, 1 full song, production ready. Try swapping Nana for any other ghost artist name like Marley for reggae roots or Champa for Bollywood jazz, and the whole style shifts. Type list at any time to save every command available. Happy creating! That's it for this video and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Humanitarians AI.